Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable keyboard alternative characters on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. In general management, go to Samsung keyboard settings. In Samsung keyboard settings, go to keyboard layout and feedback. In keyboard layout and feedback, go to keyboard size and layout. Okay guys, here in keyboard size and layout, you can see the alternative characters. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the alternative character on your keyboard, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? You can see the alternative character on your keyboard. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of these alternative characters. And that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled keyboard alternative characters on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.